mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight.
So guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gagawa ng siomai. Ang ingredients natin gagamitin ay ground pork, onion, garlic, itlog, dahon ng onion, carrots, salt, sugar, pepper, at konting vetsin.
Ang una nating gagawin ay ilagay ang pork sa ating bowl. Paghalo-haluin natin ang carrots. Bawang at sibuyas. Next is ang ating dahon ng garlic. At lagyan natin ng asin. So, yan. Lagyan natin ng pepper. Asukal. At kaunting pampalasa. Haluin natin. Stop na.
Pag nahalo na natin ang mga main ingredients natin, lagay na natin itong itlog. Haluin na naman natin. At kung nahalo na pag nahalo na, pwede na natin siyang i-wrap sa ating siomai wrapper.
So ito, ready na ang ating pang siomai. So try na nating mag-wrap. So, free. Stop mo na. Ayan, kagawa na tayo ng siomai. So, depende na sa design kung anong gusto nyong pag-wrap. So, since ito naman ay homemade siomai, so you can make your own design.
So, yung square, circle, octagon.
Dito mo na.
Ito ang ating chef for today. And then the julalay for today.
Nag-boil na rin tayo ng water.
Ah, yeah. This one.
To steam like that for later.
Because siomai is life. Food is life
Okay.
pala.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much for that.
Maganda to kapag, alam mo yun, nagmo-movie ka and then may siomai sa side. Medyo ba? Yan. So you have to
Get a
clean your,
wrapper.
yeah. You have to have like a clean hand
You
before
get
you
a
touch.
teaspoon of filling,
Filling.
and then you wrap it like
Wrap it with
one,
love.
like a wrapping paper too. Oh my god, it's not cooperating, so you have to put the two corners together,
Yeah.
like that, and then like that, and then disaster,
And then both sides as well.
and then pinch, pinch, pinch.
By the way, guys, it's our first time to try the homemade siomai, so we also don't know how will it go. How will it go? What's the
yung vlog
result?
niya to, nag-vlog na natin sa
Kaya,
Ganun talaga.
Ang pinaka-hard sa
Support.
lahat is yung pag-wrap talaga ng siomai na.
Oo, kasi mahirap minsan sa buhay.
Kailangan nating
May
paghirapan
struggle.
ang ating kakainin.
Yeah. So, maybe, ano siya, hindi siya, hindi malalagay itong feeling sa lahat. So, gagawa din kami ng siomai patty later.
or hamburger patty.
Oh yeah, burger patty, like the steak in Jollibee. Ay, what's happening? The rice cooker is crispying. The water is making a sound. Making a sound? Ano ba yung English na yun? Which one? The steamer? also, they are still wrapping the present. Yeah. Kailangan meron ding plating. Ano plating ito? Meron palang lalo. Yan siya. Yan. You have to form a circle afterwards. You're going to form triangle, rectangle. Wow.
Why don't we have a little water together?
I don't know.
Egg whites.
I hope this is the right wrapper. Because I guess na this wrapper from Thailand is patok nag-English. Ano to? Ito yung parang siyang latna.
Hindi alam mo lahat.
Yung parang din to, mag-aalsa din siya, feeling ko ha. Kasi hindi naman kating wrapper sa atin, di ba? Ayan, nag-improvise na lang kami ng wrapper since ibang wrapper natin sa Pinas. So ito yung wrapper na, wow, ano siya? Pero nasisira din nga pala siya, oh guys.
I want to experiment.
Yeah, and then there's like powder, Johnson powder. Johnson
I want to
powder.
experiment like this.
Are going to? Ay, make it like cheese stick.
No.
Cheese stick nga. So we have like the round one and then we also have the the long version of siomai.
Like like the empanadas.
Ah,
Like this, like this. And it goes like this, like this, like this.
yeah. Ano ba yun?
Yes.
Sabi natin yung ipit-ipit yun.
Yes, it's like... Hey! Yay! This is what you call, guys, a disaster.
Laki niya.
Let's just put it there.
Okay. Ano siya?
Kung nag-ano ka dito, mas mabilis tayo.
Ano siya? Diba may pagpa-fork pa siya arte, no? Dapat pinipinch ko siya na ganyan. Oo, sarado siya. Ganyan.
Good job, good job.
And then eat. Chicken.
Ayan, hintayin lang natin na kukulo ang ating tubig. So, itatry na natin.
Mukha na ba?
Pagka ang tagal kumulo, ulo ko ng kukulo. Dahil ako yantok na. Guys,
Pwede magpainit ka na lang doon, tapos transfer doon.
why?
It's faster.
Yeah, I think so. But we don't have any other
Saan
pan.
mo yun there?
We don't have pan anymore. Yeah. Ayan pa po ang ating... And sila yung kakain later. Aso pala. Yan. Ganito pagkabakasyon sa Thailand. Isip ka ng gagawin to make your day productive. So after siomai making, we're going to exercise later at the sports complex here in Thailand. And then for like balik alindog program. Lahat ang dami nung na-cover ng ano mo. Yeah. Take a look at our backyard. Yeah. Diyan kami magtitinda mamaya ng siomai. Charing.
Bago natin ilagay ang ating mga siomai, lalagyan muna natin siya ng mantika para hindi ito mag-stick sa steel. Medyo masakit siya mga kapatid. Yan. Kasi nga, it is made from flour, yung ating wrapper. So yan, isa-isahin na natin siya ilagay. So let's make a circle.
Siya na magkadikit.
Yan, tatakpan na natin ang ating steamer. At let's check it later. So guys, malapit nang maluto ang ating siomai.
A few moments later.
Siomai. Yan. Try natin. Masarap siya. Basta ako nagluto. Salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share.
You sing it, hey mama, don't stress your mind. We come